How you all doing? Anti-roll bar, drop link. Let's get it fitted to my 2008 Honda Civic. Let's get the wheel off before we jack it up. Slacken your stuck nuts. There we go, axle stand ready. You probably ain't got one of these, but put your axle stand under there. Some of you will notice that my drop link is already gone. That's because I fitted a new shock and spring, and this one, as you can see, the Allen key hole is non-existent, so I just cut it off with the angle grinder. I didn't make a video of putting the new shock in because I just wanted to get it done. Okay, so just drop the bottom one in, put the nylon nut on it. Then, as we can see when we get to the top one, it's too high. So what I do is put a jack underneath the disc. Make sure you don't get it on the weather plate at the back because you'll bend it. Hopefully this will lift up so that can go in it. And put the other nut on. Like I say, there's an Allen key hole in the bolt, but when they're brand new, the ball behind here, it's nice and tight so it don't spin. You'd probably be better off with a socket and a ratchet, but I'm just using what I've got to hand, because this car is booked in for the MOT retest. Just about there, I think. And that'll do. Then we could do the bottom one. And that'll do. Now we can remove the jack. Remove the axle stand. And get the wheel back on. Use your foot. The other three on. Just wind them home. Remove the other jack. Then we can give our Johnny stuck nuts a final tighten. There we go, job done. Thanks for watching, and if you're into motorcycles, why not watch some of these videos. Ta-ra!
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
I'll see you in another life, brother.